I put my pain in my song. For everybody did me wrong. I can't trust not a soul. I can't trust no one no more. I'm steady drinking on Patron. Man, that liquor keep me calm. Nobody there to hit my phone. When I blow, just leave me alone. When I blow, just leave me alone. Cause ain't nobody hit my phone. The fan, nah, most of these niggas done bitched up. They switched up. Isolated myself, now I'm turned up. I'm stacking up this cheddar, yeah. Finally got my muscle up. My diamond shining, I'm off this lit. You might as well say I'm f***ed up. I ain't hit no gas in a minute. All of the L's, they making me strong, preparing me for all of the wins. Preparing me for all of the wins. Getting 100K subscribers is my ambition. To be a me strong, preparing me for all of the wins. Getting 100K subscribers is my ambition. To be a sexual, they making me strong, preparing me for all of the wins. Getting 100K subscribers is my ambition. To be a successful, I can't even say that. Being a successful rapper was my ambition. Getting 100K subscribers is my ambition. Trying to be a successful rapper was my ambition. Okay, I like that. To be a successful rapper was my ambition. Me versus me, me versus me, I'm my own competition. Me versus me, I'm my own competition. Me versus me. Me versus me. I like that word. My ambition. Trying to be a successful rapper was my ambition. Me versus me. Successful rapper was my ambition. Me versus me. I'm my own competition. I'm my own competition. You used to be my dog, we fell out. Used to be my dog, we fell out. We hung out. Phone conversations. We fell out. We hung out. Phone conversations. Phone conversations. I'd be lying if I said I ain't miss it. You used to be my dog, we fell out. We hung out. Phone conversations. I'd be lying if I said I ain't miss it. I like that. Truth be told, it's gonna turn me up. I'd be lying if I said I ain't miss it. Truth be told, it's gonna turn me up. I ain't miss it. Truth be told, it's gonna turn me up. Tryna need some, but I think about that Benz. Tryna need some, but I think about that Benz. Gon' turn me up. Tryna need some, but I think about that Benz. I remember I ain't had no bands. No bands. I remember not owning a band in my name. I remember not owning a band in my name. They love my rap flow, but I feel like they love my rap flow, but I feel like I sing better. They love my rap flow, but I feel like I sing better. They love my rap flow, but I feel like I sing better. I ain't had no bands. I remember not owning a band in my name. They love my rap flow, but I feel like I sing better. They love my rap flow, but I feel like I sing better, yeah. Band in my name. They love my rap flow, but I feel like I sing better, yeah. Like a North heartbeat cold, man. Like a North heartbeat cold, but no chinchilla, yeah. They love my rap flow, but I feel like I sing better, yeah. Like a North my hardcore, but this ain't no chinchilla. Like a North, my heart cold. Like a North, my heart cold. My rap flow, but I feel like I sing better, yeah. Like a North, my heart cold. Sing better, yeah. Like a North, my heart cold. No chinchilla, yeah. No chinchilla, yeah. I don't play on both sides, this ain't no monkey in the middle, yeah. I don't play both sides, this ain't no chinchilla, yeah. I don't play no both sides, this ain't no monkey in no middle, yeah. Chinchilla, yeah. Hard cold, no chinchilla, yeah. I don't play no both sides, this ain't no monkey in no middle. Play no hard cold, no chinchilla, yeah. I don't play no both sides, this ain't no monkey in no middle, yeah. In no middle, yeah. I can feel my face from that liquor, yeah. I put my pain in my song. For everybody did me wrong. I can't trust not a soul. I can't trust no one no more. I'm steady drinking on Patron. Man, that liquor keep me calm. Nobody there to hit my phone. When I blow, just leave me alone. When I blow, just leave me alone. Cause ain't nobody hit my phone. Ain't nobody hit my phone. I can run and relap you. We're gonna keep it like that, bro. We ain't doing too much. Ain't nobody hit my phone. I can run and relap you. They know that I'm next. I'm running circles. Ain't nobody hit my phone. I can run and relap you. They know that I'm next. Run a circle around these niggas. They know that I'm next. Run a circle. Alright, y'all. So my camera had cut off, so I couldn't like show y'all the whole thing of me making the song, but I'm finna finish ad-libbing or whatever. And yeah, y'all can hear me ad-libbing. And then I'm gonna play the whole song back. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I was broke down bad, had to fix it. Focus on getting my money right. Ain't hit no gas in a minute. All of the L's, they making me strong, preparing me for all of the wins. Getting 100K subscribers is my ambition. Trying to be a successful rapper was my ambition. Me versus me, I'm my own competition. You used to be my dog, we fell out. We hung out, phone conversations. I'd be lying if I said I don't like that one. You used to be my dog, we fell out. We hung out, phone conversations. I'd be lying. Conversations. I be lying if I said I ain't miss. Truth be told, it's gon' turn me on and need some, but I think about that Benz. I remember I ain't had no bands. I remember not owning a band in my name. They love my rap flow, but I remember not owning a band in my name. They love my rap flow, but I feel like I sing better. Like up north, my heart cold, no chinchilla, yeah. Oh, play no both sides, ain't no monkey in no middle, yeah. I can feel my flesh from that liquor, yeah. I put my pain in my song. For everybody did me wrong. I can't trust not a soul. I can't trust no one no more. Damn, bro, I like this shit. Can't trust no one no more. I'm steady drinking on Patron. Man, that liquor keep me calm. Nobody there to hit my phone. When I blow, just leave me alone. When I blow, just leave me alone. Cause ain't nobody hit my phone. Ain't nobody hit my phone. I can run and relap you. They know that I'm next. Run this circle around these niggas. Look at me, I'm a public figure. I pour up more shots cause I love liquor. Little shawty bad and she thick too. Switch the flow cause I cannot lose. I'm only focused on money moves. They say they can do it, but I does it better, yeah. Niggas switch up like the fucking weather, yeah. That's why I can't trust a fucking soul, yeah. My heart getting colder. Smoking gas, I'm rolling. Under that pressure, niggas is folding. You claim you real, but you ain't on it. Smoking gas till the morning. I can't tell who real and who fake. Keep all them snakes up out my face. Keep on my face. I broke down bad, had to fix it. Focus on getting my money right. Ain't hit no gas in a minute. All of the L's, they making me strong, preparing me for all of the wins. Getting 100K subscribers is my ambition. Trying to be a successful rapper was my ambition. Me versus me, I'm my own competition. You used to be my dog, we fell out. We hung out, phone conversations. I be lying if I said I ain't miss. Truth be told, it's gon' turn me on and need some, but I think about that Benz. I put my pain in my song. For everybody did me wrong. I can't trust not a soul. I can't trust no one no more. I'm steady drinking on Patron. Man, that liquor keep me calm. Nobody there to hit my phone. When I blow, just leave me alone. When I blow, just leave me alone. Cause ain't nobody hit my phone. Ain't nobody hit my phone. Gang. Hey man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We going up, man. Get me to 2K. Let's do it.